What's up everyone, welcome back. So I had a pot of Graptopetalum Mendozae that was neglected and it is right at the back. It has stretched a lot because of lack of light, but wherever you see on the top portion, I will take it out and show it to you. So as you can see, wherever it was getting light, it stretched until that portion, and the moment it started getting light, it started getting compact. So the lower portion was not receiving any light, so hence they had stretched a lot, and now on the crown area they're starting to get some growth. It was completely neglected. I don't even remember when was the last time I had watered them. Somehow they have survived. Whenever there is an excessive underwatering, or when the succulent does not get a lot of water but there is a lot of moisture in the environment, because it was the monsoon season, and you'll be able to see the roots. Now some of the succulents, when they lack water, they also start putting out aerial roots. You can see this. Now this is not the only factor why aerial roots will shoot out, but underwatering is also one of the reason for them to put out aerial roots. But the other factors are lack of sunlight, the plant trying to stabilize, the original roots beneath the soil are dead or they are not functional, so they tend to put aerial roots. Or when there is a good amount of moisture in the environment but the succulent is not getting enough water, it will also start to get aerial roots. Couple of factors, not just one. So I will be going ahead and potting it, and I will give you an update. So guys, this is how they look today. So it's been a very long time that I had put them in this spot, and now you can see they look absolutely stunning. A good amount of growth. Now on Graptopetalum Mendozae, if they start to revive, the stems that were without any pups will also start putting out pups as and when it starts to grow. Now this place receives a good amount of morning direct sunlight until 11 a.m. From the time the sun starts to rise. The reason is because my apartment is completely east facing, and there is no other obstacle in between, like there are no apartments or anything. So when the sun starts to rise, it immediately starts giving a good amount of sunlight. So by 6:37 a.m. The sun starts to rise, and it starts giving that direct sunlight to our succulents over here. And now during the winters, they tend to receive sun until 12 noon. So there is a good amount of sunlight. So that's why you can see they have also started to turn pink. Ideally, these are more on the green shade. But when they start to receive a good amount of sunlight for long hours, they start getting this beautiful colors on them. So you can see they look absolutely stunning, a very beautiful clump. I will be taking out some cuttings from this in order to make arrangements, because I have been taking some cuttings from another plant. I'm going to show it to you in some time. So this is how they look once they are very happy with the watering, with the amount of sunlight. These are the two major things that they require. No fertilizers added, but you can see they look fantastic. There is another Graptopetalum. I'll put up the name on the screen. I always mispronounce this particular succulent, and you can see even this one is looking fantastic. I have taken a lot of cuttings from this in order to make arrangements. You might have seen it in the shorts video. So this is also looking absolutely beautiful. I hope to propagate them even more. These are also trailing succulents. They also start to trail out of the pot, and just like Mendozae, and these can be used as fillers in your arrangement. They can also be used as pillars as well. I usually tend to use them as fillers because they tend to fill up those empty spots, because they are very tiny and chubby, so they fill up the empty spaces and they make the arrangement look fuller. So these also tend to work out really well. So that's about it guys. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep planting.